Let's solve a question on integration in economics. The question is, if marginal cost is equal to 2 times e to the power 0.2 q denotes the output, then what will be the total cost when fixed cost is 110? The options are being given here: 100, 120, 90, or none. Okay, so what we are being given? We are being given the marginal cost is equal to 2 times e to the power 0.2 q. Okay, also we are being given the fixed cost, that very cost which does not depend upon the level of output, which is equal to 110, and we want to find out the total cost. Okay, now it's very simple. Total cost is simply the integral of marginal cost function with respect to output. Okay, now marginal cost function is being given us as 2 times e to the power 0.2 q. That means we want to take the integral of this function, so it will become we have 2, it is constant. Now what is the integral of e to the power 0.2 q? Its integral is simply e to the power 0.2 q divided by 0.2. Okay, simple thing. If we have e to the power nx, okay, its integral with respect to x is simply we write e to the power nx and divide it with the coefficient of the x here, which is n, and in this case we have e to the power 0.2 q. Okay, its integral was e to the power 0.2 q divided by the coefficient of q, that is 0.2. Okay, so total cost is equal to this, plus we add up the constant of integration. Now 2 divided by 0.2, so 1 upon 0.2, it will be equal to 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5, so 5 2s are 10 we will get here. That means our total cost will be equal to 5, rather it is 10. This comes out to be 5 into 2 is 10, so 10 e to the power 0.2 q plus the constant of integration. Now this is our total cost function. We want to find out the value of c. We are being given that fixed cost is 110. Okay, and what is fixed cost? That very cost which does not depend upon the level of output. That means when we don't produce anything, okay, when output is equal to 0 in this function, okay, our total cost will be equal to the fixed cost. Okay, when q is equal to 0 in this function, so in place of q we write 0. That means we will have 10 e to the power 0.2. In place of q we have 0 plus c should be equal to fixed cost. Okay, so anything raised power 0 times anything is 0, so e to the power 0 is 1, so we get here 10, or let me write it here. So we get here 10 plus c is equal to fixed cost. That gives us, and fixed cost is being given, by the way, fixed cost is 110. That means our the value of constant of integration is 110 minus 10, which comes out to be 100. And then what is our figure total cost? Total cost will be equal to, this is our total cost, 10 e to the power 0.2 q plus we were supposed to find the value of c, we got it as 100. So this is our total cost, and we don't have any option which gives us this very answer. That means the correct option should be none of the above, and the total cost is this very expression.